The demon has faith also. You remember in the Gospels, the demon called Jesus, Jesus, Son of God. Are you here to torment us? That is the faith of a demon. A faith that recognizes, but a faith that does not follow. In the Middle Ages, there was an abbot named Abbot Apollos, and the devil appeared to him actually while praying. And the devil looked like the person beside you now, except that when the eyes started to look down on the body of the devil, Abbot Apollos saw that the demon had no knees. What is the consequence? The devil cannot kneel. The devil can say Jesus is Lord, but the devil will not kneel because the devil is proud. It is demonic faith.